Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am caking cupcakes, golf birthday cupcakes to be exact. So I started with the base for my cupcake, which is a green circle. Now this is too small. I decided that just then, so I opted for the bigger circle because I wanted it to fit the cupcake a little bit better. I didn't want it to be too small. So here are my bases. I'm doing 2 dozen cupcakes. So I have 2 dozen bases. The first style of topper that I chose was just a golf ball. So I am rolling out a thick piece of fondant and I put some plastic wrap over the fondant so that it wouldn't be so sharp it kind of curve over like a golf ball. I don't know how to explain that, but I'm using my fondant tool here to create some indents like a golf ball. I have my 34 because the birthday boy was turning 34, and I made 4 of these and set them off to the side to harden up. Now on to the more intricate of the topper. I made like a little teeny golf bag. So I just rolled out a sausage of brown fondant, and I am going to add on some black strips, kind of like the stitching or the bands that go around a golf bag. And I actually have a stitching tool. I'll leave a link for that in the description box below. I added some realistic stitching to it. Hey, I made 4 of these as well. So each style has 4 different toppers. Now this is going to be the pocket on the front. I don't know if this was anatomically correct, but in my brain, this is what a golf bag looked like. I decided to use toothpicks for the golf clubs. I just brushed the toothpicks with a bit of water so the fondant would stick. Now when I do use things like toothpicks, I always let my clients know that there are toothpicks in their either topper or cake, just in case they want to eat it. Now I don't particularly like eating fondant cupcake toppers especially, but try to always let your clients know so they don't get a surprise when they take a bite. Now my golf clubs are just teardrops that I made. I put some indents in those, and if you want to be extra fancy, you can actually use some silver luster dust or some edible paint to shine those golf clubs up. I did not do that, but what I did do was create some grass, kind of like a putt thingy. I don't golf, but it looked like the grass on the golf course, and I put that under my bag, and look, it's cute. I love that topper. It took a long time to make those 4, but it was satisfying. So on to the next one. This is sand now. I don't know what the sand is called, but you don't want to get your golf ball in that. I do know that. I made my hole, and I made a flag, which is very simple. Cut a triangle out and then another triangle on the other side, flatten it a bit, brush it with some water, add a toothpick and bend it so it looks like the wind is blowing through it. And I like this one as well. So now this topper is a bit different. I decided to make a golf tee. So I just formed a sausage, a bit thicker on one end and thinner on the other. I used a balling tool and kind of made an indentation in the sausage and smoothed it out, put a little teeny ball of white, pressed it in with the same fondant tool as before, and you have a little golf ball and a golf tee. On to the assembly of the cupcakes. These are red velvet and I am topping them with vanilla buttercream, and as soon as I put the buttercream on the cupcake, I attach my topper so that it will stick. If you wait until the buttercream crusts, it will not stick. I did learn that the hard way, and I think these cupcakes turned out so awesome. If you like them as well, go ahead and hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. I appreciate you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye.